Guys, I know there's a fence in the way, but I just couldn't drive by without showing these cool cars. This is a vintage car lot, and I'll show the sign in case anyone sees anything here to interest them. Right there, call that number if you're interested. Nice little Cougar there. Another Cougar here. There again, there's their sign. Galaxy 500. It's a 68 Chevelle. Newer Challenger here. And we got a nice little Impala here. What's this? About a 1970. A Buick Skylark. There's an old van back there. That's pretty cool. There's a couple. That's another Challenger, old Challenger back there behind the van. And this is a 67 to 69 Camaro back there. And we got our little Duster here. That's pretty cool. And we got a little Stingray there. I really like these. These are like my favorite Corvettes, the late 70s, early 80s ones. Even though I can't comfortably drive one because they're too cramped inside, but they look cool. A little Dart Swinger here. That is cool. Here, I'll just walk down again quick. The faithful PT. Been an uneventful trip so far. Just a little bit of rain, nothing too serious.